I did it this time, guys. Took the biggest gamble yet. Welcome back to the shop, guys. I took a high risk gamble on a SCAG 0-turn Tiger Cub. Spent $500 on it. Hopefully we can make a profit on it. If not, we're at least getting some cool YouTube footage. And I'm on $500. But let's look at this. So we got the pieces. I need screws. It's missing the screws, but we do got a new fan for it, new cover. Look at these wires. Wires are melted. So what happened was the original owner said it backfired and caught fire. So we're gonna take a gamble on it and hopefully we can get this fixed. I'm thinking we get it in the shop, pull it off, put a battery in there, see if it cranks over, and we'll go from there. Hopefully it cranks over. So let's get it in the shop. All right, we got this unloaded in the barn. Guys, I'm sorry if the lighting, actually it's not actually, this lighting's actually pretty good, but it was worse than this. It's still a little dark in here, but it's pretty light. A company from Amazon sent me these, it's probably hard to see these lights, but they're LED lights. I got 4 of them. Well, 3 of them in here, and then another one in the grow pen area. So I'll put a link down at the bottom. They work pretty good. Anyway, guys, let's get the battery pulled, and another battery. I'm gonna pull the battery out of the wheel horse, and then we're gonna test, see if this will crank, and we'll go from there. So let's get started on that. Should use something like PB Blaster, but I'm out and I ain't went to the store yet. So I got more of these 1/4 20 bolts laying around, so we'll just use those. Oh, we might be able to get this out after all. Sweet. Battery's on, let's see if it'll crank. Perfect. Camera on. And okay, no crank. We got no crank. There's a lot of wires unhooked. I think two of these I think is going to the PTO clutch down here. Or what are these going to? See what we can find. Start searching for fuses. I think they're all up here. Here's our fuses right here. I'm gonna check them real quick. Well, that one ain't blown. I'll probably go ahead and replace them anyway. And that one isn't blown either. Alright guys, I'm gonna probably end up having to find a wiring diagram and see what's going on. We'll start this back later. Alright, this is going to have to be another video, guys. We're going to do another video on this soon. I'm going to have to stop and get to customer repairs. This is actually, the starter actually, it wouldn't crank, but that starter started smoking really bad. I think that wire might be touching that, over crossing the solenoid a little. Not for sure. There's a lot of fire damage the more I look at this. So I might start looking for another engine to swap over on this. Might be the best bet, because as you can tell, there's a lot of fire damage. It might be cheaper to swap the engine out, find another used engine, than it would be to try to repair this one. Not 100% sure yet, guys, but I'm gonna talk to Miguel. Miguel had one. I had an engine, and we just never could find. I never could find time to go. It's starting to slow down a little bit. I'm getting caught up a little bit, so I'm gonna try to find time and see if Miguel still has that engine, and just go down to Miguel's place and pick it up and swap it over. I can't remember if it was Kohler or Briggs, but either or I can make work on this. With a little bit of work, it'll work. Like I said, guys, this is a $500 gamble. I don't know if I'll keep it or sell it after I put all work into it yet. I usually like to sell stuff to make a profit so I can turn around and keep on going, but I don't know if this one's going to sell good yet. I got to figure out, go through all these wires and figure out what's bad on them. Yeah, it's going to take some work. So anyway, guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Sure out to check out my Instagram, my Small Engine Saturday live streams, 8 p.m. Central Time every Saturday, and we'll be posting more videos on that SCAG soon, and maybe some videos on this. We gotta work on this Argo. That's a piece of work too. Luckily that one ain't mine, so I ain't putting the bill on this one, but the SCAG, I'm putting the bill out on this one. So anyway, guys, I will see y'all next time in the shop. Later, guys.